to your partners. I put all my money on you, Isabella.
We got a sumo ring, and we got 2 sumo wrestlers. We're gonna do the best of 3. Dalton versus Jetta, and later it's gonna be the best of 3, Eddie versus Isabella. The winner will be going on to the final round to be crowned king or queen. All right, Dalton. You're doing great out there. You're doing great out there. You gotta watch the left hook. Watch the left, all right? Watch the left. No, wait, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left.
All right.
Look at how fat he is. Get him.
Great body.
Let her have it.
It's all in the legs, Dalton. It's all in the legs.
Jetta, you can take him. You can. Good. You're doing good? How are you doing?
Stay ready. You're the champ. You're the champ. You're the champ.
It's okay. Just remember of all the kittens that are being saved right now.
Kittens, think about them. Kittens, do it for the kittens.
Let's get this on the road. This is a fight.
This is for the kids.
This kid's a star. He's going to pro.
It's all over with now.
There it is. It's over with. Finish her. Finish her.
Jetta, do the secret move. Do the secret move.
Was this it?
The other secret move.
Yes.
Jetta, are you okay?
You're doing great.
Was the secret move losing? Bow to your partners. I put all my money on you, Isabella. This is not looking good.
Come on. We got it.
You're doing great so
That was
far.
a good bow.
All right, bow to your partners carefully if you can. If you can. It's good. That's good. And now, Eagle set. Oh my. Isabella! What happened to you?
Keep doing that.
I'm so sorry.
I'm really good.
All right, new game plan. Trash talk. I want you to trash
Bring
this
it in,
guy.
bring it in.
Okay.
Just shame it from the, head to his toes, shame, and then also, win.
I
Cool.
got this.
All right, ready and Eagle set. Oh my gosh! Isabella, trash talk him. Eddie, wait, that means it's it. Eddie wins that round.
This is going to be the final round. It's Dalton and Eddie for the face-off to see who's going to be Sumo King. I think we should get out of the way. All right, you guys ready? Eddie,
And my money's on you,
how
Dalton.
are you going to do it? I think you should use
Only
the same
winning.
move that you did with me because that really took me down.
All right.
When you see Eddie, just envision me and just use that same sort of anger and hatred you have towards me and just put it
good.
on Eddie.
All right.
Eagle set. Eddie, what happened?
It was my underwear. They were too tight.
Eddie's a small man.
It was his underwear. Can we get a pass? Eagle set.
You know what, buddy?
Just do hugs.
You got the first round.
I did.
You let it go on the second round, but this is the round of all rounds.
This is the round that matters.
The final countdown. Boo-boo-boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo-boo-boo. Boo-boo-boo-boo.
Ready to lose?
Ready? Eagle set. Whoa! Go then! Oh, I did not see that coming! I did not see that coming!
Eddie, I present to you here on behalf of Pocket Watch Studios the official championship award. For the Sumo King.
Sumo King!
Take it, it's really heavy.
All right, for the punishment, we get to spin Dalton here around for as long as we want. Woo!
Let's do this.
I flip.
Dalton, I'm gonna need your hand.
Ready, and go! I feel like this is harder work for us. Is this affecting you at all?
All right, Jenna, I think we can.
I feel this is just a ploy to get me to exercise. Did my mom call you guys? Ugh.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see us do anything else, let us know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching.